Hello everyone. Thanks for attending our presentations today. I'm Viviana Bastidas. I'm a research associate at CSIC. And today I'm going to talk about leadership for place-based digital innovation as part of our Digital Cities for Change project. So the DC2 project aims to analyze how the data of the cities can be used to improve the city planning, the management, and the delivery of public services. So we consider also the governance aspects of cities to know, for example, how we can create more efficient, equitable, democratic, and trusted outcomes for communities. At the same time, the overall objective of the project is structured along the 4 dimensions of public value creation. So we consider the governance aspects, so we also consider the ethics and responsible innovation, and the emerging and digital technologies, and the most important empirical focus to know when we want to change from one context to another context. So the research team has applied a socio-technical perspective to understand what is happening in the different digital city scale projects, such as digital twins. So working with practitioners has helped us to understand the competency gaps across the different phases of digital projects, digital city projects. So how we address these competency gaps? So to support the overall objective of the project, we propose the DC2 Competency Framework that is going to help the city managers to equip them with the competencies that they need to work on these digital city projects. So the competency framework is structured as a digital innovation model. So we have 3 phases: the plan, the test, and the embed phase, and we have also an enable environment. For instance, in the embed stage is where we can decide whether to upscale or not a pilot depending on the outcomes of each pilot. So to enable the city managers to use this digital innovation process, we created a 3-pillar framework structure. It is composed of tasks, competencies, and roles that the city managers and the city leaders need to undertake the different activities in this digital innovation process. So, for example, when we are in the planning phase, a specific task for setting requirements and boundaries defines the requirements depending on the context of each project. So we know, for example, that when we change the requirements and the regulations from one city to another city or country to another country, for example, say data privacy regulations, they impact directly our projects. So to allow the city managers to use and undertake those tasks, we defined the competencies, interdisciplinary competencies across the digital, governance, and ethics and responsible innovation. To enable, for example, the public value creation, we know that we need specific competencies to anticipate the impact. Also, we have different profiles of roles. For example, the diversity role is going to be an important and critical role for digital cities and the innovations at an urban scale. So one important output of our project is LUDIP. LUDIP is a new master course that we are designing, and the course aims to improve and help the city managers to create the next level of digital innovations with social coherence and responsibility. So if you want to know more about our project, so we are here today to talk to you. We want to acknowledge all the people who have been part of the project and who have contributed to the project. That's all from me. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.